Hello everyone, welcome to Homemade Chef, our YouTube channel where we'll be making different recipes. Today I'll be showing you to make a tea time snack which is called as goba puri in Gujarati, or it can be called as biscuit puri also, or you can simply call it as pepper papdi because it has a lot of pepper in it. And this is a winter snack. And come on, let's see what are the ingredients. First of all, we will take maida in this recipe. You can also use wheat flour if you want. I've taken 1 cup of it. And now we need oil for it. We need oil to make the dough as well as for frying. And the third ingredient is pepper powder, of course. And pepper powder, I have crushed it here using a mortar and pestle. If you want to use mixer, put it on pulse. And this is the kind of crumbles that we want. You can see this. And then we need salt to taste. Come, let us see how to make it now. Take a bowl and maida in it. And now add salt and the crushed pepper, whatever we have taken. Crushed pepper, you can adjust it according to your taste. I have taken almost all of it that I had crushed. And after we fry it, actually the spice level also reduces. So this much I am adding now. You can put it according to your taste. Don't get afraid by looking at it. See, this much I have put. This much is left. Mix it well. And now let us put some oil. Little by little we should put oil. And we need to reach a consistency where the dough is crumbly. This is a very important step. I'll show you. See now, when you mix it properly and then rub it against your palms, you can see how crumbly it is. It should reach this consistency. Otherwise, it won't become soft and crispy. So now, let us add water little by little again and prepare a semi-smooth dough. It should not be very hard and it should not be very soft also. See now our dough is prepared. This is what you have to reach. Now just keep it aside and rest it at least for half an hour. More time it rests, it's always better. Now it has rested. Knead it again once. And now let us make small balls of it. Actually, in two types you can make it. One is you make little bigger balls and just roll it using a pin. And then using a small cup or a cookie cutter, you can cut it in roundels and you can fry it. Or you can use it like me. I am using a presser here. Just press it. So that's why I am making smaller balls. And I press each of them at a time or two at a time. Now let us press it like this to this thickness and then keep it aside. Keep all of them aside. Meanwhile, you can heat the oil to medium temperature. Now this is what we have flattened. Now let us pierce it with a fork. This we are doing so that it doesn't puff up when it is fried in oil. So this also is a very important step. If it puffs up, it won't stay crispy for long. See, this is how I have pricked. I don't know if you are able to see it because of pepper. You can prick all of them and keep. And then put it in hot oil, medium hot oil. So we'll fry these puris in low to medium flame. Keep turning sides until it gets brown in color. And keep turning. So you can see now it is getting a little brown. This is the color we want. At this stage, we can take it out. All of them have turned brown now. So let us take it out and transfer it to a kitchen towel. Now our tea time snack is ready. You see, this is how it will be crispy from outside and soft from inside. It will melt in your mouth. This is the best tea time snack you can have. This will taste best with tea or coffee. If you like this recipe and to follow more content like this, please like my Facebook page Homemade Chef, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.